guys, I want to give you a quick walk around of our Hurricane SS 231. I apologize, it is extremely windy out here today. But this is 2023 Hurricane SS 231. You can see we've got it on the tandem axle aluminum I-beam trailer. This thing's gonna go everywhere you need it to go. You wanna put it out on the coast, you can do so. We've got a swing tongue, spare tire, trailer brakes. It's gonna be everything you need it to do and move this boat around. Now, if you haven't seen one of these boats, this is the best combination of getting the versatility you get out of a center console and being able to get the family and friends out there like a deck boat that you're gonna find on the water. You wanna get out, fish a little bit, pull a tube around, just hang out. You're gonna get the ride you're gonna see in a deck boat or a pontoon with some of the versatility that you're getting out of a deck boat and a center console. We've got the Mercury 154 stroke on the back of it. This boat's not gonna be a speed demon. Think of it more like a pontoon. So you're gonna get out there, it's gonna handle the bigger water well. You're gonna be comfortable, be able to fit a bunch of family and friends in there and just have a good time. Now it will pull a knee board, you're gonna pull somebody around on a tube. But getting out there and skiing or wakeboarding is probably not gonna be what this boat is primarily used for. You can see we got a ton of space in this thing. We can walk around, you can fish, you can play, you can hang out with the friends and family. You got little ones, you've got a nice high wall, big gunnel. You ain't gotta worry about them being up too close. You got front deck seating off the bow as well. Really is a great boat to blend a couple different styles of boats together.